Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on creating an email signature that converts using Bybrand. In this video, we'll explore the importance of a well-designed email signature and show you the essential elements that you need to include to capture more leads and boost sales. Your email signature is a great space to promote yourself or your business. By adding key information or a strategic call to action, you can drive clicks, conversions, and even sales. Essentially, every corporate email that you send becomes an opportunity to market your brand. First, let's start with the basics. Clear and concise contact details. Your full name, job title, direct phone number, email address, and website should be easy to read. This ensures that your recipients can connect with you quickly without having to search for contact information. Next, add a touch of brand identity. Upload your company's logo or personal branding elements to help recipients immediately recognize your business. Don't overlook the power of a strong call to action, whether it's schedule a meeting or book my calendar. Including a clear CTA encourages readers to take the next step. Adding a banner is a fantastic way to stand out. You can promote a new product, upcoming webinars, special discounts, anything to give your audience a reason to engage further with your business. Just make sure that your banner is visually appealing and links to a relevant page. Once you are happy with your design, click Save. Bybrand lets you preview your new signature so that you can see exactly how it will look inside of your emails. From here, you can easily install it in your email service provider or share it with your team. And there you have it, a high-converting email signature built with Bybrand. By applying these simple yet powerful elements, clear contact information, company logo, a compelling CTA, and a marketing banner, you are set to turn every email into a marketing opportunity. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.